Hey everybody, welcome back to the Ritchie House restoration project. We have completed about 99.9% of removal of all the plaster and lath. As you can see behind me, we've got the turret all cleaned up, looking good. And just talked to the electrical contractor guy. One of them anyway. I'm getting another estimate tomorrow. Fingers crossed it'll be cheaper. Yeah, so we're making good progress. We got it all cleaned out for the most part. Dumpsters hauled away. Still have more cleanup to do, but we'll get to that when we get to it. But hopefully, before winter, we will have some electrical, like the new panel. So we'll and a couple outlets at the very least wired in, so we can start getting into the nitty gritty of getting the utilities in. So it's a start. So following this, you'll see a little slideshow deal of some pictures I took. I didn't really get any video of the work because I was busy working on it, wasn't thinking about filming, so it is what it is. And we have a couple of pictures of couple of interesting things that I found. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure when it'll be, just because I don't want to post too much of me doing the same thing over and over and over again. So, but there'll be one coming hopefully soon, eventually-ish. I'm probably going to start switching to a monthly video. It just seems to make more sense. Weekly, you're just like, oh, well, I did this. Oh, well, I did that. Monthly, you kind of see jumps in progress. So I think that's what I'm going to switch to. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the stuff that I've found. And this is a little shout out to Brian Leedon. I'm going to include at the end of the video the picture that you commented about with the sideboard. So this will be James Ritchie the First in this house, I believe. Can't 100% prove that it's in this house, but I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure he's standing in front of the sideboard that you mentioned. But I'm not sure. You'll have to comment and let me know. And I'll see you guys next video.